Can you solve all these Class 2 Maths Chapter 7 Jugs and Mugs questions? 59 plus 30 equal to?
You got it. Your choice 89 is right.
G equal to dash D. Valid point. 80 is true.
5L equal to dash mel.
Sharp thinking. 5,000 is the right choice.
Ink equal to dash G.
Correct response. 8,000 is the most accurate answer. 50L for 50 mel equal to? Nice work. You chose 544 for 50 and it is correct. 1 kg equal to dash CG. Nicely done. 1,000 is a solid answer.
1 is a dash mel.
Exactly. 1,000 makes sense.
42L equal to dash mel.
Good thinking. 42,000 is the right answer. Kg equal to dash kg dash g. Perfect. 2K450G is the correct choice.
3L99 mel equal to dash mel.
Well reasoned. 399 is the correct choice.
We weigh a pencil in.
Smart pick. Grams is the correct choice. Cell of 100 ml equal to dash.
Right again. 7500 is a valid answer.
File 743 ml equal to dash mil. Clear logic, your choice 5743 is sound.
Which is the longest?
Excellent. Kilometer is a brilliant choice.
We measure capacity in.
Right choice. Liters and milliliters is the best answer. Half liter is equal to? Great thinking. 500 ml is the right choice. Mel equal dash liters dash mil. You chose 9 liters 76 milliliters. And it is correct. An elephant weighs dash kg. Bravo! 1,000 is the answer. 456 ml now flour plus senil 20 ml dash. Great job. 70L for 76 ml is the accurate answer. A bucket has the capacity of. On track. 1 tells is the correct answer. 50 plus 600 ml plus 200 ml dash. Nice selection. 52 lal 800 ml is the correct and valid answer. We use a dash of salt in upma. Strong choice. Spoon is the right answer. 10 cups of 100 ml is equal to? Correct. 1000 ml is the right answer. Which weighs more, 1 kg or 500 ml? Smart move. 1 kg is an accurate answer. Which of these is the lightest? You're right. Flour is the correct answer. Can water be measured in length? Solid response. No is a valid choice. We measure liquids in dash and dash. Well done. Slit and milliliter is the right choice. Which will hold most amount of water? Well picked. Bucket is the correct answer. Which amount is less, 250 ml or 250 ml? Excellent choice. 250 ml is the right answer. What is the capacity of a glass of water? Good job. 200 ml works well here. Choose the smallest capacity among the all. You chose 35 ml, and it is correct. A small cup contains more water than a jug. You're right. No is the correct answer. What is the unit of measurement of liquids? Nice selection. Lighter is the correct and valid answer.
L equal to 1 plus 5 ml plus 1/2 plus 2 L plus 750 ml plus 215 ml.
Strong choice. True is the right answer. Subtract 7 liters 400 ml from 14 liters 500 ml. Bravo. 7 liter 100 ml is the answer. How many milliliters are there in half a liter? Excellent choice. 500 ml is the right answer. What will you use to measure the coffee in a cup? Valid point. Milliliters is true. How much water is needed to fill a water gun? Nice work. You chose 1 glass and it is correct. Subtract the following 8 liter 500 ml, 1 liter 300 ml dash. Correct. 7 liter 200 ml is the right answer. How many jars of 2000 ml can be filled by 2 liter of water? Smart pick. 1 is the correct choice. How many lemons are needed to prepare a glass of lemon drink? Exactly. Half a lemon makes sense. If quantity of 5 bottles equal to 5, then quantity of 20 bottles equal to dash. L. Solid response. 20 is a valid choice. I drink 1 liter from a bottle of 2 liters. How much water is left? Right again. 1000 ml is a valid answer. I have 4 liters 900 ml petrol in my car. How much milliliters is this? Great thinking. 1400 ml is the right choice. Which of the following is the standard unit to measure liquid quantities? Excellent. Liter is a brilliant choice. If someone wants to drink water, which vessel will you use to give him water? Well done. Glass water bottle is the right choice. If the cost of 1 water bottle is Rs1, then what will be the cost of 10 water bottles? Good thinking. Rs. 10 is the right answer. If 1 milk packet has half a liter of milk, then how many such packets make 2 liters? Clear logic? Your choice 4 packets is sound. A camel can drink 9 buckets of water at a time. Then how much water can 2 such camels drink at a time? On track. 18 buckets is the correct answer. A jar of 1500 ml capacity has 500 ml of juice in it. How much more juice is required to fill the jar completely? Right choice. 1000 ml is the best answer. This Coca-Cola can shows dash.
Great job. 300 ml is the accurate answer.
In a big tub of water, Ramu puts a stone, an eraser, a marble, and a feather. Which one of these will not sink to the bottom? Smart move. The feather is an accurate answer. To make 1 glass of lemon drink, we need 2 spoons of sugar. Then to make 3 glasses of lemon drinks, how many spoons of sugar is required? Perfect. 6 is the correct choice. What unit best measures the mass of this apple? Nicely done. Grams is a solid answer. Choose the container which can hold more water. Sharp thinking. Container C is the right choice. The unit to measure the quantity of soft drink in a glass is? You got it. Your choice challenge is right. Would you measure this object in grams or kilograms? Well reasoned. Grams is the correct choice.
Which is the most reasonable measure for the weight of a cat?
Correct response. 4 kilograms is the most accurate answer.
Choose the object which is used to measure the capacity of water.
Good job. Picture 1 works well here.
If 1 spoon contains 5 drops of water, the such 2 spoons contains how many drips of water?
Well picked. 10 is the correct answer.
Water is filled to the same height in 3 containers of different shapes as shown. Which contains the most water?
Good job. Container 2 works well here.
It takes 2 full glasses of water to fill the jar. It takes 3 full jars of water to fill the bucket. How many full glasses of water will it take to fill the bucket?
Perfect. 6 is the correct choice.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Great thinking. Contact Nara and Changda on Facebook is the right choice.